Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best air purifier filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the air quality in your home, acting as the lungs of your air purification system, and ensuring that the air you breathe is free from pollutants, allergens, and odors, making it a crucial investment for a healthier living environment. Number 5. Blueair Bluepure 411 Plus Genuine Replacement Filter. Keep your Blueair purifier performing at its best with a genuine replacement filter. This filter is specifically designed for models 411 Auto, 411, and 411 Plus. It features a combination of particle and activated carbon filtration. This helps to effectively reduce common indoor air pollutants like allergens, dust, and unpleasant odors. Replacing the filter is a simple process. This ensures you can easily maintain optimal air quality in your home. By using this authentic filter, you help maintain cleaner indoor air. It's essential for ensuring your purifier continues to deliver fresh, clean air. Regular replacement guarantees optimal performance from your air purifier. Enjoy the benefits of consistently clean air with minimal effort. What we like. This filter offers a dual-action approach with particle and activated carbon filtration. It's designed to effectively reduce common allergens and dust, making it simple to maintain your purifier's performance. If you're looking for a straightforward, effective filter to combat everyday airborne irritants and want an easy swap, this is a great choice. What people say. The air purifier replacement filter is designed to effectively capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This filter features an activated carbon layer that helps to remove odors from pets, cooking, and smoke, improving the air quality in your home. The filter is easy to install and replace, ensuring continuous optimal performance of your air purifier. Number 4. HATHASPACE HSP001 True HEPA Filter Replacement. This replacement filter is precision engineered for your smart True HEPA air purifier. It ensures optimal performance and maintains peak efficiency for the best air quality. Experience superior air purification with its 4-stage filtration system. It captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and VOCs. Replacing the filter is quick and easy, taking just seconds. Enjoy fresh, clean air year-round without the hassle of a complex filter change. The advanced activated carbon layer effectively absorbs household odors, smoke, and harmful gases. It leaves your space feeling fresh and revitalized. For consistent air purification, we recommend replacing the filter every 4 months. This extends the life of your air purifier while maintaining optimal indoor air quality. What we like. Experience superior air purification with its advanced 4-stage filtration system, capturing 99.97% of tiny particles. It also excels at eliminating odors and VOCs for a truly fresh environment. If you're particularly concerned about strong household odors, smoke, or chemical smells and want comprehensive multi-stage cleaning, this filter is ideal for you. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the air purifier. It effectively removes odors and allergens from the air. The design allows for easy installation and replacement. Number 3. PuroAir 240 Replacement HEPA Filter, 2PK. Ensure you're using authentic PuroAir 240 replacement filters. We can even remind you when it's time for a change and deliver them straight to your door. This air purifier features a robust 3-layer filtration system, including a pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon. It effectively captures up to 99.9% of airborne pollutants. It's designed to tackle common indoor allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander. It also effectively removes smoke and unpleasant odors from your home. Third-party lab tests confirm its ability to filter household pollutants. It can help improve allergy symptoms and sleep quality by reducing airborne irritants. Our exclusive Carbon Tech layer, made with a proprietary blend of activated carbon, provides superior odor filtration. It ensures your air is fresh and clean. Join over 900,000 families who trust us to keep their air clean. We offer a 2-year warranty and are proudly based in the USA, ready to assist you. What we like. This filter boasts a powerful 3-layer filtration system, enhanced with their exclusive Carbon Tech layer for superior odor absorption. It's scientifically proven to tackle pollutants and is specifically highlighted for pet dander and hair, aiding allergy symptoms. If you have pets and are seeking relief from dander and associated allergies, or simply want advanced odor control, this filter is a strong contender. What people say. This filter is a perfect fit for my purifier. It significantly improved the air quality in my home, reducing dust and allergens. The filter is easy to install and replace. Number 2. PuroAir 240 Genuine Replacement HEPA Filter. Ensure you're using authentic PuroAir 240 replacement filters. Sign up for convenient delivery and we'll remind you when it's time for a change, typically every 3 to 4 months. Experience superior air purification with its advanced 3-layer system. It effectively filters up to 99.9% of common airborne pollutants like dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and odors. Independently tested and proven, it tackles indoor pollutants with ease. This helps improve allergy symptoms and sleep quality, especially for pet owners. Our exclusive Carbon Tech layer, made with a proprietary activated carbon blend, provides exceptional filtration of odors. It ensures fresher air in your home. Join over 900,000 families who trust us for cleaner air. We stand by our product with a 2-year warranty and a dedicated support team based in the USA. What we like. This filter boasts a powerful 3-layer filtration system, enhanced with their exclusive Carbon Tech layer for superior odor absorption. It's scientifically proven to tackle pollutants and is specifically highlighted for pet dander and hair, aiding allergy symptoms. If you have pets and are seeking relief from dander and associated allergies, or simply want advanced odor control, this filter is a strong contender. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly into the air purifier. It effectively removes odors and allergens from the air, leaving the room smelling fresh and clean. The filter has a long lifespan, lasting up to 6 months with regular use. Number 1. AROEVE MK04 Air Filter, 2-pack. Choose our filter for a healthier home and a healthier planet. Unlike imitations, ours uses eco-friendly materials for superior performance and value. Our pre-filter layer effectively captures large particles like hair and dander. This prevents your air purifier from clogging, ensuring it runs smoothly for longer. Experience the power of our unique silver ion layer. It neutralizes harmful particles, transforming them into harmless substances for cleaner air. Our advanced filter captures smoke, pollen, dander, and odors. Breathe easier and enjoy improved air quality for a healthier lifestyle. Tired of lingering smells? Our activated carbon filter absorbs smoke, cooking odors, pet smells, and VOCs. It's the perfect solution for any home. What we like. Featuring a unique silver ion layer for enhanced particle reaction and a pre-filter to prevent clogging, this option offers impressive filtration. It's particularly effective at absorbing unpleasant odors from smoke, cooking, and pets. If you're looking for a filter that actively combats odors and is designed to maintain optimal performance by preventing clogs, especially in homes with pets or frequent cooking, this is a great pick. What people say. The air purifier is very quiet and the air quality has improved significantly. It is easy to set up and the app works great for controlling the settings remotely. The filter is long-lasting and effectively removes odors and allergens from the air. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.